So, hello and welcome to a short glimpse into orchestration of agile production for operational efficiency. My name, as I was already announced, is Verena Mersmann, and I'm the branch leader for sales activities in life sciences and chemistry at ProLeiT. Since I have been working as a project engineer and project manager, I gained a lot of insights regarding customer needs and decided to change to the dark side, the sales part, to light up, influence and support our customers' visions. So, as we all know, people don't buy goods or services, and to be honest, not software because it's just software, but they buy trust. And today I just want to give you a glimpse and explore a little bit how you can gain this trust into your production by taking 3 easy steps. First, we are looking on the challenges that affect your business. You know them quite well, so we will rush through this. Then we will investigate how ProLeiT could support you to get into action and what we can achieve by working together over the same industry as well as over other industries and share the best practices and insights. To kick it off, we at ProLeiT saw an evolution in the landscape of the systems for many years now. So today we see we don't just need several layers. We need a mind that helps to connect the production, to orchestrate the data, the processes, and especially the best-in-class equipment you can see over here. And alongside, we need external references or drivers that are challenging the market and our opportunities. If you look a little bit more on details, so details can be a focus on the batch process, we can clearly identify them. So the shorter product cycles, the rising prices, and we can also put them into some areas that are more related to architecture or more to operation. And these are requirements we see in a lot of user requirement specifications, and we also want to take on the journey and improve this, because this has a real impact on your business and therefore on the end customer. Nevertheless, software is nothing you can touch on really, so we are still on the exploring area, and we will find a lot of challenges alongside the way. But everywhere there is a challenge, we also have a supporting impact that helps us along. So we just have a look with one of the main goals. If you want to achieve something, you have to gain transparency. So if we just have a look on our process flow and we want to convert data, we also use the transparency business. And we follow the process. And if we follow the process with our production mind we have here in our software, we get a lot of information that need to be visualized and to gain an overview to make decisions. We have planning data, material data, order processing, failure and downtime data, maintenance data, and quality data. There are several systems, they should be alongside in one system. Nevertheless, we will have their clear statement. If we can make this data available and we can get the data of the material, the quality, the equipment, this all will be the essential key for increasing our productivity, because we can plan better, for product quality, and also for saving resources, whatever resources might mean. To move on in another layer, because gaining transparency, moving digitalization is quite clear for us, we will see that we have also to integrate the data and that we have to interact. We have there several system layers we also know from the former times, and we have to get independent with our software from classical deep connected systems. So ERP layer is still disconnected to everything. We have to integrate this data. We need to have this orchestration layer, that's why I'm here. And we have to take a look on the service architecture. So all the best-in-class equipment, the extended ECS systems, the outrange systems, everything to be connected. And this should end up in the traceability area and invest in case a real paperless production. Because if you have paperless production, you have the information from the goods receipt up to the end to ensure that you're using the right things at the right time, the right raw material batch at the right end, if you provide the information. And with visualization where the process is and to support the operator to take the right actions, so have a decision support system in place and also the access to printers, scanners to get these things together and to actualize things, you have a critical point of action and can empower your user, your operator, not only to know what to do, but to set the standard in every single action. Wow, okay, a lot of action I have said. Let's have it as a call to action and see how the system supports us in getting into action. First of all, we have to standardize by the means of recipe or process description and what we're going to use. So drag and drop, we know it from all the other things, has to be an easy, supportive thing, and rule-based dependencies are just outstanding to ensure standardization. By designing these process standards, we can also jump into another area. The moment where we start to operate the guide the operator alongside the manual inputs and the processes to achieve the quality in interacting. If we need an escalation, we should give him a hint. We also have to give him the possibility to confirm something or to jump off into other points of action. So this can also be done by that. And the most important thing by raising flexibility into standardized processes, because we all know standardized process is just as good as flexible it could be, we have to do adaptations in the process automatically according to some kind of measurements or by just seeing that something went wrong and learn out of the additional actions to take. So we can add here additional steps, additional actions, additional batches to ensure quality. There is, in the following slide, the BOS description in a nutshell. And what are the key takeaways? When we guide the operator, we can increase efficiency and profitability due to open architecture, flexible and just-in-time adjustments, and optimization. We support decisions. This directly influences the transparency and also the throughput, which is a very interesting topic to optimize on. And we can have the first impact on our sustainability issues and to minimize the downtimes and hold everything on a constant rate. What we now have to do, we have to come into action, and I ask you to start and to learn something more, to achieve something. I just can run through some key points, and then I'm really interested to come into discussion. So what you already have done and what you're used to is the start with the classical automation or the buying of best-in-class equipment. Well, this is not software related, this is not the future, this is not building transparency at all. But when we ensure that the classical automated system and the best-in-class equipment is available 24 hours and adjustable in the needs, connectable somehow, you can gain your transparency and track back your actions throughout the whole process. Not only gather the data, but also prescribe the data that should be done. And if you already managed to come there, you can start your operational excellence journey. What I can promise you, with more than 30 years of experience and technology know-how, and standardized software products, thinking in the same manner we have gone through on some slides here, we are happy to offer you this software and to support you. So I have another call to action here, just to finish and be open for your questions. Make one smart decision, take these ECS as your possible start of the journey, and visit us on our booth in Hall 4 on booth 209.